today's class, we are going to see the solution for the problems on level 3 teacher task. We'll begin with the question number 6. Let A and B be the two solid spheres such that the surface area of B is 300% higher than the surface area of A. So, if you have two spheres A and B, okay, they told B is more than the A. Okay, so surface area of sphere A is equals to 4 pi r square. Let's take same surface area of sphere B is 300% higher than. 300% higher than means it's basically if it is having some radius r, it is 4 pi r square. They told 300% higher means if initially if this was 100, this will be 400. 300 times it is higher, so plus 300. So their ratios will be 4 pi r square divided by 4 pi capital R square is 1 is to 4 or 100 is to 400. So 4 pi cancel. So you will get r square by r square equals to 1 by 4. When you take square root, r by r is equals to 1 is to 2. Okay. So they are asking you to find the if the volume of A is found to be k percentage lower than the B. So let's find out the volume. Then let's see how many percentage it is lower. So volume of A, sphere A divided by volume of sphere B. So what is volume of sphere A? Volume formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. 4 by 3 pi and pi cancel. So r by capital R whole cube. So 1 by 2 whole cube means you will get 1 by 8. So their volumes are in a ratio 1 is to 7. Means if this one volume is 1 part, next one volume is 8 parts. So it is differed by 7 parts. Can you understand? So they are asking you volume of A is found to be how many percentage? K percentage lower. So we found that 7 by 8%, 7 by 8 part is lower than B. A is 7 by 8 part lower than B. So which means how many percentage means 7 by 8 of 100 percentage means 700 by 8 percentage. So when you divide 700 by 8 you divide. You will get 87.5 percentage. So that is your option 4. Okay. Okay, we'll go to the next one. The given diagram shows a cylinder with a diameter 10 centimeter and a height 15 centimeter. Okay. Here, the shaded portion is of the form of a cube. So don't think it is something curved extra. It is a cylinder. Here also a cylinder is there. For the cylinder, it is curved inside. Okay. So if here is 10 centimeter, here also 10 centimeter, radius will be 5 centimeter. They gave diameter 10 centimeter, which implies your radius 5 centimeter. Height of the cylinder equals to 15 centimeter. This is for cylinder. So when you take for cone also same radius, diameter 10 centimeter, radius 5 centimeter, but height is, they gave the height as, let's take this one as height capital H, let's take this supposed to be 6 centimeter. So what is the volume of the remaining solid? Volume of remaining solid will be volume of the cylinder minus volume of cone. What is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h minus cone is 1 by 3 pi, your r same r square, h is different h. This particular h you need to use. Both of them have pi r square, you can take common, h minus h by 3. So pi is, you can have it as it is because your answer involves in pi, radius square. So 5 square into x is 15 minus 6 by 3. So we'll get 25 pi into 15 minus 2 will get 13. So 25 into 13 if you do, you will get 325 pi. 325 pi you will get in a centimeter cube. So your option, nearest option is not nearest, exact one is fourth. Okay. So we go to eighth one. Eighth one they told each edge of a cube is increased by 50 percentage. So there are two cases. One edge, a cube is there with a side A, let's take, and if it is increased by 50 percentage means it will have a new cube, all the sides are increased. So initially a cube which is having side A is given. Okay, so new side will be A plus 50 percentage of A, or we know that A into 150 by 100, 50 percentage increase means 150 by 100, that's nothing but A into 3 by 2. So new side is 3A by 2 is the new side. They told it is a cube, so every side will be 3A by 2, this side also will be 3A by 2. Is it okay? So now, how much is the percentage increase in the surface area of the cube? So let's calculate the surface area of the first one and surface area of the second one. Surface area. Initially it was 6a square for cube 1, C1. Let's denote like C1. Then same surface area for cube 2, C2 means cube 2 is 6 into 3 by 3a by 2 whole square. That's nothing but 6a square. Another 9 by 4 is extra. Can you understand? So it's nothing but 9 by 4 if you divide 2.25 times 6 times a square. So surface area of cube 2 is nothing but 2.25 times surface area of cube 1. So it's nothing but when you are writing hundreds formula, 2.25 is nothing but how much increased. So or let's take like some x values, or this new one you take it like 2.25 into 6a square itself. So we'll find out what is the difference in the surface area. So increase in surface area will be 2.25 times 6a square minus 6a square. So that is nothing but 1.25 times 6a square is the difference. So increase in surface area percentage will be increase in surface area divided by initial surface area or beginning surface area of the cube 1 into 100 percentage. So that will be increase is 1.25 times 6a square divided by 6a square into 100 percentage. This and this cancel. So you will get 125 percentage increase. Can you understand? So option first one, 125 percentage. Next one, 10th question, not 10th one, 9th one. A water flows in a tank 150 cross 100 meters at the base through a pipe of a cross section 2 decimeter by 1.5 decimeter at the speed 15 kilometers per hour they gave. So here they gave in two different units. Decimeter is also there and meter is also there. We will convert everything into meter. Why? Because they gave how many number of hours when the water is 3 meters deep. Since they comparing fine part is in 3 meters, we'll compare all those things into same unit meters. Okay, so first volume of water in the tank. The tank will be 150 cross 100 when the depth is 3 meters they told. So you take cuboid 150 cross length 100 cross 3, it will be 45,000 meter cube. This much amount of water you have. Okay. Next we will see the rate of volume flowing. Okay, how much speed it is going. That is rate of speed is that cross section into its speed what they have given. So basically rate, that speed. Okay, speed of volume of water flowing will be, that is, you have 2 decimeter into 1.5 decimeter into 15 kilometer per hour. Understood? So that 2 decimeter I can write 2 by 10 meter, 1.5 by 10 meter, 15 kilometers I can write 15 meter by hours. I will convert that hours into minutes or seconds. Why? Because our answers are also in hours only, so that per unit time can be in hour itself. So 2 into 1.5 into 15,000 divided by 100 is meter cube per hour. So in this cancel. 2 into 1.5 is 3 into 150. So we'll get 450 meter cube per hour. That means the volume of water it's coming is, in 1 hour you will get 450 meter cube. So similarly in 10 hour you will get 4500. In 100 hours you will get. So time is equals to total volume by speed. That means 4500 divided by 450 if you do 100 hours. 4500 meter cube by 100 by hour equals to, sorry 4500 45,000 meter cube divided by this much meter cube by, so this and this cancel, meter cancel, you will get hours. So 100 hours is your final answer. Okay, we'll go to 10th one. 10th one, they gave volume of the space inside a right circular conical tent is, they gave 138 2 by 7 meter cube and its vertical height is given 4 meters. The canvas required to make the tent and also find the cost of the canvas given. Okay, fine. So first let us find the volume. Okay, sorry, they gave the volume. So let's take, we'll find radius from there. Okay, volume is given by 138 2 by 7 meter cube. So when you convert it into mixed fraction means multiply into 7 and add 2. So 56, 56 plus 2, 8 to 5, 21, 71 plus 5, 36. So 968 by 7 meter cube is the volume. And we know that what is the height, what is the formula for this? It is a conical shape. So 1 by 3 pi r square h will be 968 by 7. So we can use those formula. R square equals to 968 by 7 into numerator 3, denominator pi h. So we can write 968 by 7 into 3, here 22, numerator 7. Height is given like vertical height is 4 meters. Is it okay? So we can divide the respective terms. 7 and 7 you can get cancelled. So it will be to 11 table. If you cancel means you will get 8 88, then again 2. So you will get 88 into 3 divided by 8. So if you cancel you will get 11. So your r square will be 33. So we get our r square as 33. Will approximately take what is going to be our r is root 33. We can have an approximate value. Okay, root of 33. It is root 25 is 5. Root 36 is 6. So it will come like some 5.74 meters. Okay. So we have our radius And our height you have, can you find the slant height? Because in your cone, they told radius is 4, height is, oh sorry, radius is just now, radius is root 30 near conical, if you check, your radius is root 33, height is 4. Let's find out L. L is equal to root of h square plus r square. So h square is 16, r square is 33. So you will get root 49. So your slant height is 7. So no need to worry about this decimal value. Okay, so we are finding the curved surface area only, so that only we found the slant height. So the CSA of the cone will be pi RL. So pi 22 by 7 into radius is 5.74 into slant height is 7. This and this cancel. So we'll get 22 into 5.74. So when you multiply, you will get a value 126.28 meter square. So you have this one as approximated as 126.3 in your option. First and the second, both of them have same option. So we'll round off that and we'll take 126.3 meter square itself. And they told the cost is cost per meter square. 1 meter square is rupees 120. So cost for 126.3 meter square will be 126.3 into 120. So if you multiply, you'll get rupees 15153.6. So when you approximate this one, okay, you will get which one? Second option. Is it okay?